Tagal ah. Uh, Good day to all of you. Uh, we were gonna discuss about the Filipino culture, but first, before all of that, let us know what Filipino culture is. So, Filipino culture is a mix of different traditions, like those from the Philippines past and the other countries that are involved. It is known for being friendly, strong, and having such close family ties. The things that we want to highlight in the Filipino culture are values, traditions, and food. So first, we will discuss about values. Next slide, please.
Good evening. This is Bautista Joaquin speaking. So, these are the examples of the values that we Filipinos show to one another. First is the pakikipagkapwa-tao. It is the mindset and capacity to treat people with the same respect that you treat yourself. Filipinos treat you with the dignity and respect that you are entitled as a human being. We do not discriminate against individuals on the basis of their money, race, or creed. The next is the utang na loob or the gratitude. It is a highly held Filipino value among Filipinos. Helping someone is a precious resource that makes the giver feel obligated, especially to someone who is in need of assistance. And the third is the bayanihan or the communal spirit. Bayanihan exemplifies several core Filipino values, including pakikisama, kapwa, and damayan. It highlights how important empathy, kindness, and selflessness are in a Filipino society. So that is all for the Filipino values. And next presenter.
Generally speaking, traditions. Discuss Filipino traditional customs like pagmamano, touching elders' hands, sign of respect, and panahon ng Pasko, Christmas season. Pagmamano is a cherished tradition that symbolizes reverence for elders and family. A simple gesture, yet it holds profound meaning in Filipino culture. Panahon ng Pasko, the Christmas season or panahon ng Pasko is a joyous time in the Philippines. Families come together to celebrate with feast, caroling, and religious tradition. It's a time giving, sharing, and strengthening bonds. Now, these two traditions, among the many others, define the Filipino identity. They are passed down from generation to generation, preserving the cultural heritage of the Philippines. Next presenter.
So Adrian Biba speaking. So now we will discuss about Filipino food. So guys, gutom na ba kayo? Ako din eh. Gutom na din ako eh. Kaya tara, kumain tayo. So first, we will madaming mga pagkain diyan sa Philippines, like mostly in breakfast. For example, we got tapa, nalagyan sa tapsilog, which is tapa in itlog and rice as a combo. Maybe for a main course, you will take a adobo, maybe pork adobo, maybe chicken, maybe both. Mix siya. And lastly, siyempre gusto mo ng ano, pampalamig, 'di ba? Kasi 'pag mainit yung panahon, gusto mo ng cold na bagay na magpapa-refresh sa'yo. So you need halo-halo siyempre para ma maging refreshing ang ano mo, ang iyong katawan. Yes. So now to sum it all up, so Filipino culture is special because of how friendly people are, the strong traditions that they follow, and the delicious food that they have. It shows Filipinos strong and happy personalities. So that's all, and thank you for listening.